Welcome to the Business Analytics and Generative AI Mastery Program. This career-focused certification is offered by the Baroda Institute of Technology in collaboration with Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation, IIT Patna, and IBM. Business analytics is the practice of transforming data into actionable insights, bridging the gap between raw information and strategic decision-making. Companies using analytics are 5 times more likely to make faster decisions. The program offers 2 tracks. The Masterclass is an 8 to 10 week fast track focusing on essential skills. The Full Stack track is a 20 to 24 week comprehensive career program, including advanced tools and generative AI training. The learning pathway guides you step by step. The Masterclass focuses on Excel, SQL, and Capstone. The Full Stack track adds advanced visualization, AI tools, generative AI, and a full industry capstone. Part 1 focuses on advanced Excel and visualization. You will master data cleaning, advanced formulas like 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐽, pivot tables, and visualization techniques, concluding with a project on financial modeling. Part 2 dives into database and visualization tools. You will cover SQL database management, Microsoft Power BI Professional, including DAX calculations, and Tableau mastery, preparing you for industry certifications. Part 3 covers AI tools and advanced analytics. This includes Alteryx automation for building ETL workflows without code, Snowflake Data Cloud for scalable data warehousing, and advanced analytics like forecasting and A/B testing. Part 4 is dedicated to AI and future skills. This section covers prompt engineering, Gen AI for business applications like custom GPTs and 𝐅𝐮𝐻, and integrating AI tools like Copilot into Excel and Power BI. By the end of the program, you will have mastered key tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Alteryx, Snowflake, and generative AI models. You will gain skills in predictive analytics and cloud data workflows. Career opportunities abound in roles like business analyst, data analyst, and AI business strategist with competitive salaries. Hiring domains span BFSI, retail, healthcare, and tech. Placement statistics show a 92% placement rate, an average package of 8.5 LPA, and a highest package of 32 LPA. Top hiring partners include Accenture, Deloitte, Amazon, and IBM. The career roadmap outlines progression from business analyst to analytics director. Starting salaries average 5 to 6 LPA, with a 120% growth potential within 3 years. The curriculum is grounded in industry applications, with projects covering sales forecasting in retail, customer churn models in banking, and operations optimization in healthcare. Program benefits include a dual co-branded credential from IBM and IIT Patna, preparation for professional exams, and a flexible schedule with mentor support and access to a peer community. The Masterclass awards 4 credentials, while the recommended Full Stack track grants 6, including advanced professional certifications and multiple IBM certificates, along with skill badges. The certification roadmap shows a clear timeline. The Masterclass track delivers 4 certifications in 8 to 10 weeks. The Full Stack track delivers 6 certifications, including the Advanced Professional Certificate, in 20 to 24 weeks. Hear from successful graduates like Sneha Gupta, who pivoted from operations manager to senior data consultant with a 125% hike, and Riya Singh, who secured a junior data analyst role as a fresher. To enroll, apply online, receive counseling to select your track, secure your seat with fee payment, and attend orientation to start your learning journey. Contact the academic counselors today to begin.